Welcome back to the Nero MediaHome Deep Dive. In Part 3, we will cover TV shows and import from smartphones. Now that we have enriched all of our movie files, let's do the same for TV shows. They are a bit special as they have seasons and episodes. You can see this here on the top level. It shows how many episodes are in there in total. For example, Miami Vice shows 111, so that's actually the complete series. All the Miami Vice episodes are available in the library now. Now the same process like for movies applies. Nero MediaHome will start to download all the covers and episodes information. Let's take a look at Game of Thrones. You go inside the series, and here you can see, I have Season 1 with all 10 episodes. There is no album art for episodes, so here you actually see a picture thumbnail for each episode instead. Okay, so we will keep this running because it still takes a while and come back in a second. Now we have seen how to import files that are already on your hard disk into Nero MediaHome. Now let's see how we can get more media files in. One thing you can try is an app. It's called Wi-Fi Transfer. You can install it on your Android phone or your iPhone for free. And if you launch the app, your device will become available in Nero MediaHome quickly. So it's just setting up the connection, and afterwards, you will see it inside Nero MediaHome. It just appears magically. This is without any USB cable. Of course, you can always use a USB cable, but in this case, we just use the free Wi-Fi transfer app, and it's actually pretty fast and works pretty well. Let me launch the app right now. You can see the content of my phone now. It's also separated in photos and videos. Now I can go here, select a few of the items and say import. It will ask me if I want to put it in an album, and if so, what should be the name of the album. And everything will be transferred wirelessly from my phone onto the hard disk. And then, of course, it will also show up in your Nero MediaHome and its media library. And now we already created our first item, which is an album. This is one of the many ways you can actually do something with your media in Nero MediaHome. So you see the album 01 here. You could have named it also like Christmas Market or whatever content you have in there. And so you can easily find your photos again later on. In the next video, we will have a closer look at further import options. Stay tuned.